Good morning, everybody. I'm currently on my way to my friend Christian's house, and we are going down to Port Hope, Ontario. Join us as we fish for some salmon. Hey, how's it going?
It's already
Okay.
Everything
good?
I got it since.
So what is it? Like a healthy monster or something?
Oh no. It's just a cheaper monster. I think mine's more portable.
I think so. Yeah, there you go. Strap that to your head and go hiking with it. This
First aid.
first aid. Ah, we don't need no first aid. Oh yeah, it's right there. It looks further on Google Maps. Yeah.
I gotta.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at the hawk. You're evil. Hawk? Evil. Oh, there's a lot.
Well, multiple. Wow.
Oh, there's fish in there. There's your fish.
Wait, let's go. Let's cross to the other side. So this is the river, right? So you'll see the salmon if they're.
Are those turkeys?
I don't think turkeys fly like that. Oh, you can smell them.
You can't smell them. There's a bunch of dead ones right there.
Yeah. Oh, look, they're all climbing up the river there in the water.
Where?
That's so cool.
Where are they? You see them?
See the splash? See those splashes?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They're coming up the river?
Yeah, they go upstream, right? So they come from the lake,
Mm-hmm.
and then they go up the river to spawn.
Oh.
That's where they lay their eggs, and then in the spring, I actually saw at the Port Credit, they a bunch of little tiny salmon coming from the upstream down to the lake.
Oh. So where did they stay? Past the train track? Past the train track, you said, right?
Past the train tracks, but there's two. There's these ones, and there's the other ones. Look at that, eh?
Oh, God.
Oh, look at all of them.
They didn't make it, boy.
Yeah,
There's them right
look
here.
how big they are.
Look at them right here.
Oh my goodness.
What are they waiting for? The green light? Why don't they just stop? Look,
They
they're
just,
big.
they're massive. Look at those. Those zombie fish, whatever the hell.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, guys.
How's it going, brother?
Good, you?
Not too bad. Catch anything?
Nah,
Nothing.
there's 100 of them.
Yeah, we just.
Not bite.
It's my first time here. I have no idea where
My
is good.
first time, too. I was down at the mouth this morning. Nobody was catching anything.
Yeah.
So I just followed them up here. Now I'm just waiting for a bite, really.
Yeah, okay.
At least they're here. I was at the Port Credit, didn't see a single one. So,
Really?
yeah, that was probably 2 weeks ago now. So,
All right, brother. See you around. We're going to try. We'll probably see you in a bit then.
All right,
Probably come
yeah.
upstream.
I'll probably hang here for a while. Good luck.
all right, you too. Well, let's go down there. Let's see all the way
I'm going to
down.
just pick that one up. I'm going to take a picture with it.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to touch that roddy one.
Oh, so you can't go past there.
Oh wow, yeah, because that's all construction down there. So shit, you want to just try right here?
You can try here.
Right, we'll go right off the bank here, right by the water. All right, I'll put this in here. Hey, Bumblebee.
Stop. You're scaring the fish.
I think there's a train.
You are now recording.
Yeah, I'm seeing a good amount here. Are you on something already? Yeah. You caught one. It's just not alive.
Can you see it?
No. You c- oh man. Oh, there it came off.
Warrant officer.
I think where it's south of the tracks, I have seen the sign there, eh? It's a sanctuary.
Where, right?
See that sign there from
Oh.
September 1st
Oh,
to
sh-
October 14th?
Oh, yeah. Okay, so where?
You go south of the railroad tracks, you're good.
Oh, these tracks.
These ones. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we gotta move. Anything north, which is this side of these tracks, is a sanctuary. Not those tracks, which we walked right past this sign, which we didn't even see.
Unless we try to cross that bridge and go
So-
over there. On today's episode of Illegal Fishing.
On today's episode of Illegal Fishing. Oh, what's happening over here? Smoking some briskets.
Smoking some brisket.
Hell yeah, brother! Look at that. We'll come back. Come back this way in 4 hours. Sorry, I keep hitting you.
I should have
Something.
told him I was promised this part of. I was promised between these two tracks 2,000 years ago. I can fish here.
We could go here, or here even. I think here is better. Nice flat.
At Rice Lake.
Oh, Rice Lake. Yeah, yeah, the place you were telling me about.
A lot of gold is
Oh. That's what, yeah, we need the. I'll just roll up my pants. I'll go right in. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That's way down there on the other side. Ah, mine's
You
tangled.
didn't take that one out, did you?
I'm just, yeah, trying to launch it as far as I can, because that's.
Yeah, you got me.
Oh, I'm on something, I think. Yeah, I'm on a fish. I don't know what it is. Oh, I'm on. Never mind. Sorry about that.
First time?
I cast it way too far. He's right here. Massive thing, eh? Ooh. That went higher than it did further.
Catch anything?
Nothing yet. We were only here for about half an hour, so. Can you hurry up and catch a fish?
You too.
What? Bird's nest?
Yeah,
I heard that.
It's not deep, correct? Here?
Here, no. Further out, yes.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Gets a little bit deeper.
that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I know. Here, there's nothing.
I've been fighting the urge to poke this fish for like 2 hours. I'm gonna get judged.
Poke it. What's gonna happen? Don't hook it.
No, yeah, I know.
Besides that one guy with the cleaned fish, I haven't seen anybody else catch anything. Look at this heron.
That's cool. Please let me catch a fish. Or let Light catch a fish. I don't want a fish.
Somebody. For the content. Come on.
For the content.
It's gonna be a dry video if nobody on this dock even catches anything.
That was definitely something. What did I catch? A clam? Oh, I caught a fish. Oh,
You
no, I
caught someone else's lure.
I caught somebody else's lure. Cool.
Here, come here.
Hey.
Let me see that.
We caught a...
That's cool. Look at that.
For a second, I was like, wow, I caught a fish. I guess that's why now. And it comes with a...
Is that a leader on there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, at least we're not leaving empty-handed.
See, again.
No way. They're constantly in the tree.
You caught a tree fish.
You guys swing on this?
No, no, it's a 15-pound line.
It's like
If
wrapped.
you pull it hard enough, it'll come.
It's wrapped over and under.
Eh,
Oh,
it's going.
It's coming. Oh, it's coming.
There you go. You got a branch with it. It's the only thing we caught all day.
We're hand fishing.
Is there a washroom here? Public washrooms, hell yeah. Okay,
I'll bring the camera in there. I'll
bring the camera in there.
And no one's gonna run away.
No one's gonna take your camera.
Yeah, we were gonna try. We were gonna try here.
So they are in here. They are here. Just not bite. I don't know what the hell.
Yeah.
And you're taking pictures too.
I have video.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
He's got that little one. I gotta get some of that, man. This thing.
You're lugging this thing around.
The difference between carrying this and this everywhere.
The one you want.
Are you Macedonian by any chance?
Yes.
Oh, me too. I just saw the flag on there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just
Where are you from?
Skopje.
Skopje.
Yeah.
Oh. But you were born here?
Yeah, I was born here. Big man, my God.
Are you Macedonian?
No,
No,
Italian.
He's Italian.
Paisano. You live this? You live
Cabo.
this?
Yeah, I speak. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Cabo. Yeah.
What do you guys do? You finished school?
I'm an electrician.
Oh, you're an electrician?
I'm an
Yeah.
electrician.
Good
I'm a heavy-duty mechanic.
for you. Good. Good field.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
still in the trades, doing the
That's
European
it.
way.
You know what?
That's the best
What do you
way,
think?
man.
You're always going to have a job. You're always needed. Hell, you call an electrician or a plumber now, it's like calling out the. You're better off to get a cardiologist than
To do your-
yeah, he's also busy.
Yeah, it's busy in that sense.
Yeah, plumbers,
Yeah.
electricians are a trades. Are very good. Good for you. Anyway, all the very best to you. Nice
Yep.
meeting you.
You too,
Nice
sir.
meeting
Take
you.
care.
Take care.
I just saw another fish jump there. Maybe we'll have better luck here. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah, I think so.
It's deeper, right? Yeah, I gotta really make it sink here. It's deep.
Yeah, I know. I gotta learn to let it just drop.
How's my mic? Is it still on?
Should be. These things last forever.
No, it was at 20% a while ago, so.
Here, I'll tell you if it's still on. Say something?
Meow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still on. I can see the green bar.
Oh, you can see from down there?
Yeah.
On today's episode of... I look like a f***ing egg. Standing that
And-
close? Today's episode of... I like this spot. Nobody around, nobody to get angry with.
Just us and our thoughts.
Just us and our thoughts.
Just don't cast into the power line. That's all you gotta worry about. Well, here comes the train. Oh, look at the friggin' swans.
Oh, what the hell?
This is the most content we've had all day.
Hey, I got stuck in a tree.
That's right. Well, we can go whenever you want. I see you fishing 3 feet in front of you. I think Schnitzel is going to be more entertaining at this point. I got everything, right? Keys, phone,
Camera.
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 This must be a nice spot to fish from. All the dead ones, though. These guys are all poachers. Every single one of them. Oh yeah, look, they're sitting in where the rapids are. They're all in there. There's so many here.
Right here in the rapids, too.
Oh, he has a lure on the side of him. That one has a spoon on the side of his body. That's crazy. Oh, you know what? Look where the water level is supposed to be, up along the wall. You can see where it is, right? So since it's so low, it's probably too easy to catch.
And
So they probably shut it down
and
this
you can
year.
mass catch them here.
Right. Think the briskets already? This guy on a fish, or is he snagged? He's snagged.
That's what you get.
Yeah, you poacher.
Yeah, you poacher.
Not like us. We were only poachers for 15 minutes.
Yeah. Then we found out.
Wow. Oh man, look at all of them.
But why did you just they're not gonna go straight?
Wow.
I don't
Pretty,
think anybody caught anything really. I don't even think above at the north end of the river, man. I don't think anyone caught anything. Because if these guys aren't biting, I don't think it doesn't matter where you go.
Wonder how many tickets are on my windshield.
No. Who knows?
Who knows?
We fight them anyway.
Yeah, but I just throw them out. Maybe it's free this weekend. Back here. All right. You want a water?
I'm alright.
Okay.
It just has them on the floor like little boxes. Now they're putting them in the air.
Yeah, because people keep.
And that Keelan Wilson one's been cut down like maybe.
Schnitzel-Schack!
Oh, Schnitzel-Schack, yeah.
I almost hit their door. Tried deep fried.
Can I get the taco for your special mayonnaise? Sorry?
Oh, here's their menu.
Yeah. One tomato for sauce?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay.
And then a schnitzel parm sandwich.
Sure.
Yeah, and then a medium, the regular size of poutine, please.
Everyone, here you are. Enjoy.
Welcome to. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Holy mackerel.
I counted the last time.
Oh my goodness.
I was gonna start with fries. I was gonna start with the carbs first.
Look at the carbs in this thing. Breaded with the potatoes. Brother man. Is even a point of wiping my hands? It's just gonna get dirty again.
We found this in the wilderness. We were on survival right now.
We caught it in the lake. We just pulled it up. It was hot and fresh, hot and ready.
Hot and ready sandwiches right out of the lake.
Yeah.
大家好，朋友们，我在Port Hope。Because it's crazy because they use their own words so.
Buy that like now and have a small mortgage.
So if you're thinking in more investment terms than long year, I can make that money back. The $8K I spent.
Yeah. Wrong turn. Should I do an illegal Brampton U-turn?
Yeah, of course.
Illegal Brampton U-turn.
Illegal Brampton U-turn.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go to jail here. I don't know. How do we do it? Here.
Oh, there we go.
Push. There we go.
All right, buddy.
Okay, I gotta drop your $3,000 camera.
Yeah. What'd you get today? A fishing lure and broke my camera.
Yeah, $20 fishing lure, and I gotta buy a new camera.
And I gotta buy a new camera.
Well, unfortunately, no fish this time around. But if you still like this video, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future.